In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use a share code for a tuning setup here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to go to your garage. You can access this from an estate, or you can also access this from the, festival sites as well. But essentially, once you're in here, tab over to cars and then scroll down and you need to select upgrades and tuning and then choose find tuning setups. Open this up and then open up the search menu using the button shown at the bottom of the screen. This is like the, I think, view button on Xbox, or it is like, I believe it's the share button or like screenshot button on PlayStation. But open this up and then you want to go to this little share code section right here, select it, and then enter in your code just like so. Also, I think it is backspace, I believe, on keyboard and mouse in order to do this. But essentially, enter in your code, start the search. If the code's correct and valid, the specific tuning setup should appear, and then of course you could search it, add it on from there. That's the full process, though. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.